let's do a horn test. That air suspension just soaks up the road imperfections, and you can still hear a great amount of that V6 engine. Everything inside feels very premium. See the around view monitor if you're gonna hit the curb. Hey guys, here we have the all-new Nissan Patrol, and today we are going to be doing a POV test drive. But before that, let's go ahead and check out the exterior and interior first. It is very macho. It still retains all of that Patrol DNA that you can see here, from the bold new grille, this interesting trim that goes straight to the LED headlights. It looks very stately, and when you see it in person, it has that commanding presence. And if we move towards the side, you can see the floating roofline together with the two-tone paint. It is very monolithic. You have a large greenhouse right here, some Patrol badging here on the C-pillar. This is the rear of the Patrol. You can see this full width LED taillight that runs throughout the width of the vehicle. And from here in this angle, you can see just how boxy the overall design is. Let's check out the boot space. There's a touchpad at the back. It is a power operated tailgate. This is the cargo space that you get for the Nissan Patrol underfloor storage. You get a decent amount for your tools and whatnot. You get tie down hooks on both sides. You get power operated folding third row seats, so you can tumble these down with a push of a button. And the Patrol having air suspension means that you can lower the rear tailgate right here. So if you're loading things in and out, you can lower the vehicle. The second row can also be folded for more cargo flexibility. And to close the boot, there's a button right here to close it up. Check out the back seats. Getting in is fairly easy thanks to the side stepboard and this grab handle right here. If you close the door, very solid. You get premium materials even on the rear door cards, soft touch leather, even on the armrest. I have just enough legroom and footroom as well. Headroom, I have about this much thanks to the square body. It's just very wide and open back here. You get air vents here on the ceiling. You get this beautiful panoramic sunroof that is currently closed. You get climate controls back here, so you can control the fan speed. You have two USB Type-C charging ports, a 12-volt power outlet right here. The center floor is nice and flat, so you can still fit another person here on the middle seat. If we open up the center armrest, you'll get two cup holders. Rear passengers also get this rear touchscreen, so you can view movies and videos. You can also control your Bluetooth connectivity. So rear passengers back here will be entertained. And the overall tan interior feels and looks very premium. So let's hop on the front seat. This is the key for the Nissan Patrol. You have your remote start, lock, unlock, tailgate button, and your panic button. It feels very premium to the touch. It has a nice texture to it. And just have the key inside the vehicle. Put your foot on the brake and hit the start stop button. And the 3.5 liter twin turbo VR engine starts up. Turn on the air conditioning. There's this toggle switch here. It still has physical buttons, even has ventilated and heated seats, dual zone climate control, or tri-zone rather, because you can also control the rears. Let's fasten our seat belts. The Patrol gets an E-shifter, 9-speed automatic transmission, and it has an electronic parking brake. When you first drive the Patrol, you will notice how high the hood line is, and you can easily see it. There's a nice real estate of it on the point of view here on the driver's seat. If you want more view, you can always hit this camera button, and the around view monitor will show up on this 14-inch screen. Even the driver gets a 14-inch screen. This is a monolith display. That air suspension just soaks up the road imperfections very well, and there's no road noise coming inside the cabin whatsoever. It's very comfortable. And you can still hear a great amount of that V6 engine from inside the cabin. The driver gets this leather-wrapped steering wheel with your cruise control and volume controls here on the left. Off to the right, you have your controls for the trip computer and this button. So right now it is indicating on the left, meaning I can control the gauge cluster. If I press this button, I am now able to control the infotainment. So you can control everything in the car via this toggle switch right here. Everything inside feels very premium. Again, the dashboard has a soft touch leather material here. The center console, you get two big cup holders together with this storage space right here. As for safety features, you get Nissan Intelligent Mobility, so you get adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring system, lane departure warning, forward collision warning. Let's do a horn test. Very premium. See the around view monitor if you're gonna hit the curb, and you did it just fine. So for reverse, press this R button on the center console. And for drive, can feel the torque, and the engine is very responsive. It doesn't feel underpowered. To put the car in park, just press this P button, turn off the air conditioning, pull the electronic parking brake, and to turn it off, just press the stop button here. Okay guys, that was a POV test drive of the all-new Nissan Patrol. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.